Our philosophy is self-transcendence. Our philosophy, our goal is not static. It is something flowing like a river, flowing and flowing and flowing. So we do not have a set goal. Our goal is our message is the message of self-transcendence. What we achieved 10 years ago was not enough for us. And now what we are going to achieve at the end of this year, or in August, we will not be fully satisfied. We shall be satisfied to some extent, but not completely satisfied, because our goal is all the time going beyond and beyond. We carry the message of the beyond, ever transcending beyond. We do not have a set goal. It is not like at the end of 100 meters, the sprinting is over. Our goal is we are dealing with something eternal and infinite. We pray, we meditate, we try to enter into the heart of something vast and infinite and eternal. So this year's achievement can never be our ultimate goal. When we are trying to progress, our goal is not success. Our goal is progress. We are not in the world of competition. We are not in the world of competition. We don't want to defeat someone either with our capacity or by hook or by crook, by adopting foul means. We are not in the world of competition. We are in the world of self-transcendence. Our peace philosophy is founded upon the message of self-transcendence. We want to transcend. The higher you can go, the better you can be, and the more you can be of service to humanity.